Thank you for purchasing the award-winning Tripp Trapp chair, the chair that grows with the child. This brief presentation includes safety reminders that will help you and your child enjoy the Tripp Trapp chair from infancy to adulthood. Introducing the new Tripp Trapp newborn set. Your child can now enjoy the benefits of the Tripp Trapp chair from birth to adulthood. Visit www.stokke.com for more information on the Tripp Trapp newborn set. The Tripp Trapp chair is much more than a conventional high chair. It's an innovative, adaptable concept that delivers comfort, safety, and correct ergonomic seating to your child. The Tripp Trapp chair permits your child to be seated right at your table, which allows for the important bonding and social development that occurs around the table. The seat and footrest are adjustable for both depth and height to grow with the child. Because the footrest acts as a floor, it allows the child to balance herself and comfortably shift her weight. At every stage of your child's development, the three vital growth points, the back, the upper leg, and the lower leg, are ergonomically supported. Give a seat height that allows a comfortable reach of normal table height, about 72 to 76 centimetres, or 28.35 to 29.9 inches, with a 90-degree elbow angle. Please read the user guide before assembling and using the chair. For best circulation and comfort, give the seat depth that permits 2 to 3 fingers of space between the back of the knee and the front of the seat. Set the footrest so the knee has a 90-degree angle. The double curved seat back lets the child sit in a natural, fully supported position without placing stress on her developing spine. The Tripp Trapp newborn set can be used from birth up to 6 months, when the child is normally ready to start sitting. When she can sit upright on the floor alone, start using the Tripp Trapp chair for a limited time at the start, gradually increasing the time as you go. The range of the Tripp Trapp chair accessories includes a Tripp Trapp newborn set, a baby set, a 4-point safety harness, extended glider for extra safety, and cushion for additional comfort. The chair is made from solid beechwood and is easy to wipe clean. The baby set is recommended for children between 6 and 36 months. It is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The included extended gliders attach easily to the bottom of the high chair. These should be used when the Tripp Trapp newborn set or the baby set is in use, and the existing gliders should be put back on when you remove the extended gliders. When using the Tripp Trapp chair, always place it on a level, stable surface that doesn't inhibit the chair from sliding backwards. Being seated at the table can make it possible for a child in any chair to push her legs against the frame or top of the table. You should always stay within arm's reach of your child and never leave them unattended. Your Tripp Trapp chair is equipped with a rounded set of plastic gliders underneath the legs to facilitate sliding rather than tipping. And it's important to remind you again that the Tripp Trapp chair be placed on a flat, even surface of certain hardness. Carpets, rugs, or uneven floors do not represent a suitable surface for safe use at the table, as these surfaces could inhibit the chair from sliding backwards. The Tripp Trapp chair is not designed for use as a step stool or for use with a booster seat. The chair should never be used with any accessories not manufactured by Stokke, as they could affect the safety and stability of the chair. Usually at around 18 to 24 months, children learn to walk. Just as you teach and attend to your child on how to walk up and down stairs, you can also teach a child to enter and exit the Tripp Trapp chair. However, never leave your child unattended. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the world's most innovative high chair, the Tripp Trapp chair from Stokke, the chair that grows with the child. We wish you and your family many years of safe and happy use.